Good evening, friends. I was one with an underdeveloped arm, so instead of asking how are you, people asked what happened. Um, I had always responded with by birth, but my parents taught me to be independent, from sharpening pencil to tying shoelaces. Still, I had hear aunties whisper, "भगवान ऐसा किसी के साथ न करे." Those whisper and the pitiful looks from my peers hurt me, and those. But over time, I become thick-skinned. Then one day, after my 13th birthday, a man stopped me at the mall and he asked what happened. And again, I said by birth. But instead of looking at me with pity, he said, "You should do try para badminton. You will do wonders." He gave me his card and left. His words stuck with me. No one had said that to me before, but I had never even thrown a ball. So I wasn't sure I could do it. So I didn't call him. The next day, I decided to try out for sports competition in school, but my teacher pulled me aside and said, "You can't go here. Focus on your study, and you might get quota." But I chose to focus on the man who had shown faith in me, so I called him. Gaurav sir was the coach of the Indian badminton team. Mummy and Papa called to him, and 5 months later, I was off to Lucknow to become para athlete. At first, I was nervous. What if I wasn't mean for sports? But Gaurav sir ensured that I saw myself the way he did. So we had trained for long hours, but I didn't mind it. I had found my purpose. I had never lifted a rocket, but 2 months in, I was competing with professionals. Then I started representing at district level. Uh, when I asked to play for national level, sir said, "Your time will come. Till then, practice." So I did it. And 2 years later, sir said to me, "You are ready." At 16, I won 4 medals at National Badminton Championship. I was elated. Mummy couldn't stop crying. It has been 2 years now. Since then I have represented India across the globe. But my biggest accomplishment was making it into Paralympic athlete. At 16, I am youngest ever Paralympic athlete to qualify for Tokyo. Those whispering aunties now congratulate me, and people look at me with aspirant all. Because someone once said, "You could do wonders," and I believed him, and then I believed myself. Thank you guys. प्लीज़ लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर इस वीडियो को। कैसी लगी आपको मेरी वीडियो?